This is a story of a little girl.
Early morning, she wakes up, knock on the door. Yeah, it's time for makeup. Perfect smile is who they are waiting for. They go, isn't she lucky? This Hollywood girl, and they say she's so lucky. She's a star. She cries in the lonely. Yeah, it meant nothing missing in my life. Then why do these tears coming nice, rushing in image in a dream?